In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag people in Microsoft Planner. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Planner in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard, which is where everything begins. If Planner happens to open straight to the home screen, look over to the left navigation and click My Plans. From there, find the plan navigation near the top of the page and click Board. Now click the plan you've already prepared from the plan list. In this case, the plan is named Launch Follow-up Board. Take a moment to confirm that the plan is opened in Board View, so you know you're in the right place. Next, you want to open the task where you plan to tag someone. Click the prepared task card on the board. Here, the card is named Review Draft Homepage Copy. Give it a second and wait for the Task Details panel to slide open on the side. If you don't see everything right away, scroll down inside the Task Details panel until the Task Chat section comes into view. This is where you'll mention your teammate. Click inside the message box in the Task Chat section so your cursor is active. Now type an @ followed by your teammate's name. As you type, Planner will start showing matching suggestions just below the box. When the correct person appears, click the matching teammate or test user in the mention suggestions. Check that the teammate's name now shows up as a highlighted mention inside the message box. Now it's time to send the tagged update. Right after the mention, type a space and then add your update message. For this example, you might write, "Please review the draft homepage copy by Friday." Go ahead and add whatever message works for your own situation here, keeping it clear and specific to the task. Once your message is ready, click Send in the Task Chat message box. Confirm that the sent message now appears in the task chat, with the teammate's name displayed as a mention. And that's it. The player task now has a task chat message that tags the selected teammate with a mention. This keeps the request tied directly to the task, and the mentioned person receives the targeted Planner, Teams, or email notification supported by the refreshed Planner experience. Congratulations, you successfully tagged someone in Microsoft Planner.